Guys, it's your girl from Renee from Renee's Garden Adventures, and look at this. I am getting my onion tops all nicely cleaned so I can get ready to get them dehydrated. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. I'm telling you, when you grow your own food, it's such a rewarding feeling. And look, beautiful. Gonna be cleaned, and once I get these cleaned, then I'm going to take them over to here. Alright, and then once I get them all clean, I put them in my strainer and get them all ready. And then I take my scissors and I get them all chopped up and put them into my dehydrator. I'm working on my second tray. Look how beautiful that looks. Just getting them all prepped and ready to go into the dehydrator. And then eventually, you guys, once they come out of the dehydrator, then I'm going to show you what they're going to look like. Hold on. Alright, and then once they come out of the dehydrator, I'm going to put them in one of my canning jars, and look what they look like. End result. Isn't that beautiful? And this is some green onion tops that I dehydrated from last year. And I've got a whole quart size jar of starting from here to here to here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Get you an up close look of what they look like. Beautiful. So I'm telling you guys, I'm encouraging each and every one of you guys to get out in your garden, put in some onions, wait till they grow, go out in your garden, get them all clipped, cleaned, put them in your dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, then you can put them in your oven at the lowest setting of like 200 and just let them dry out. And before you know it, bam, you're going to have some beautiful dehydrated onion tops. Woohoo! And I do this every single year because I use these a lot in my soups, salads, when I'm cooking, when I'm making my spaghetti sauce, or even making spaghetti. I put these in all sorts of things. So get out there. You can grow these in grow bags. You can grow them in buckets. You can grow them in containers. You can grow them in those metal raised beds that I always tell you guys about when I come from Aldi's. You can grow them in a can, a coffee can. Whatever you have, you don't have to go out and buy all these expensive containers in order to grow onions. It's whatever you have, because you know I'm a big advocate of repurposing and reusing things that I have around my house. And look at the beautiful results. Alright guys, this is just a short video to encourage you to get out there and start growing your food and stop paying those high prices in the grocery store when you can grow them yourself. And look at the results. Bam, bam, and bam, 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 bam. You have your own dehydrated onion tops. Alright guys, get out there, and if I can do it, I know you can too. Woohoo! Grow, grow, grow your food and stay out of them grocery stores. So see, now I know I can check this off of my grocery list because I know I can grow this, and that just puts money back in my pocket to apply it to something else that my family's going to need in the future, or tomorrow, or next week. Whenever we need it, we know we may have a little bit extra ducats to put towards that purchase. Alright guys, so if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give your girl a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you'll know what's happening over here in Renee's Garden. Woohoo! So excited. And child, this is just a little bit of onion tops that I have in my garden. I got more to clip. So I would love to talk to my family all day long, but your girl got work to do so I can make me some more jars. I'd like to have at least 4 or 5 of these jars in my cabinet so I can have them through the winter and maybe like a year or two supply of green onion tops. All right, guys, take care. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video.